Hello, my name is Lita, and I'm UX/UI designer at Chile Labs. Today I'm going to talk about accessibility and why it is important now. Starting in June 2025, your digital product could be banned in the European Union if it doesn't meet new accessibility rules. These rules come from the European Accessibility Act. They apply to websites, apps, online stores, financial services, media platforms, almost all digital products. If you don't follow the law, each European Union country can set penalties from fines to blocking your product. So, what does your product need to do? Work without a mouse or touch. Show clear error messages. Use readable, scalable text. Not rely only for color. Announce things like saved or new message. Support screen readers and assistive tools, and many more things. If your site or app can't do this, it might not be considered as accessible, and that's a big risk. Accessibility is about making your product usable for people with disabilities, and it's not just the law. It also improves user experience, helps with SEO, and can grow your audience by up to 20%. At Chile, we run accessibility audits. We test with the real tools, like screen readers and keyboard navigation, and give you a clear report, fixes, and help your team. Time is short. Visit our website and book an audit. Let's make your product accessible for everyone, including people with disabilities.